Hello. Hey everybody, happy Friday. It's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, RE/MAX House of Real Estate. And I am here in Airdrie today. I'm gonna give you guys, oh, whoops, I just lost connection for a second there. Can you hear me? Hopefully. The data has been a bit weird today. It's so windy here in Airdrie. It's like the wind is blowing around all the data. I don't know what the deal is. Anyway, make sure if you're joining, give me a wave or a happy face. Say hi so I know you're here. I don't want to do talking to myself. So, anyway, I'm at this gorgeous house in Airdrie. I'm in Morningside in Airdrie, so on the southwest end of Airdrie. And this house is so cool. I love this house. I'll tell you the story about it. I'm going to turn on the fireplace, see if it works. I don't know if they have the pilot light on. I didn't check that before maybe not. That's okay. Okay, I got a, hey Jen. Happy Friday. Hope you're doing great. So yeah, if you want to tag some people if you're joining in, that would be awesome. Let them know that we're doing a tour. And have a really great story about this house. I feel I love this house. I literally do love this house. 480 Morningside Way. Hi, Jay. How's it going? Miss you. Hopefully we can see each other soon. I get to see so many people's names pop up on here that I haven't seen for a long time sometimes, and it makes me miss people that I don't get to see every day. So, hey Jay, hope you're good. Oh, I love you too. Hey Tyler, how's it going? Tyler, you did such a great job of making this house look extra good. This house is so cozy and homey. And Jay, stop it. Stop it. But yes, I have the best real estate team in Canada. That's right, Jay. I have such an awesome team. And I've learned a lot from you, Jay Macklin. So you're like celebrity in Scottsdale. So I'm very honored that you're my friend. So thanks for joining in, Jay. So I'm in Airdrie today. It is so windy and it's really cold here. It's wintry and gross. But Tyler did an awesome job of staging this home. I gotta tell you the story about this house. So when I first moved to Airdrie in 2008, hi Debbie, I almost bought this house. And, oh, I like Jay's comment. Everybody read this. Thank you, Jay. I really appreciate you. Thank you, Jay. Okay, anyway, when I was moving to Airdrie, I almost bought this house. I took too long to decide and I missed out on it. It is one of the neatest layouts. You do not see this in Airdrie. It's almost like a custom plan, but it's for an awesome price. So you're gonna love the price. It's like a custom layout, and what they've done with it is so great. So it's fully developed home, 2,200 square feet about. We're getting it measured. We should have it back soon. So it's about 2,200 square feet above grade, and then the basement's also finished. So it's 4-bedroom. Is it 4-bedroom? Anyway, it's so clean and so immaculate. It was built in 2007 by Excel, and it's gorgeous. So I can't wait to show it to you guys. It's such a cool layout. I don't know if you can't really see, but it takes up it's like a side, the whole side of the front of it's the front, but it's the side. It's very grand. So it's got the garage in the back. So it's got an attached mudroom with a really cool dog washing area. The thing is, these people don't own dogs, but it's great for washing like boots or whatever. So you don't have to own a dog to love the dog washing. But if you have dogs, you're going to love this house because it's a mudroom with a dog bath in it. So, okay, let me show you the front of the house, okay? Here's me going out with my socks and my no jacket. Okay, so because it's down there. So it's got a beautiful side yard. Whoops. I don't know, I can't even see. So that's the whole side yard, and the beautiful side architecture is really pretty. You'll have to come see it. We're having an open house. When is the open house, Tyler? It's going to be pre-market, so it's not listed. We're having an open house. Okay, so you come in and it's got gorgeous slate, so clean and well done, professionally done. So it's nice slate. Sometimes people don't know how to do it properly, but this is beautifully done. Awesome flooring, really, really durable. It's not rustic, but it's like, it's kind of timeless. It's a great color of floor. It's a bit rustic, but not really. It can go either way. Saturday open house, 12 to 3. So it's not going to be on the market. We're going to put it on the market on Monday. So if you want to see this and get a chance, you got to come this Saturday between 12 and 3. Check it out. It's so beautifully sunny and cozy in here. Here's our main floor living room. And there's our kitchen. It's just a nice blonde cabinets. Dining area right by the window. Got a pantry, a nice sized pantry. Okay, we're gonna go down this way. Okay, so that's the stairs to your basement. Okay, I didn't know where to go first. There's your powder room right there. Okay, let me show you this back garage. Look it, okay? Our mudroom. So here's your little dog wash or washing large items, whatever. But it is an amazing little doggy wash. Got the shower head there. Nice cabinets for your mudroom. And then you've got your garage in the back. So it's all drywall. It's got nice fluorescent lighting. Listen to the wind. And there's your door to the side. We don't want to make you listen to that wind, okay? And here's your, let's show you the side. Let's show you the yard. So here's the yard. We've got stamped concrete. And it's got also, so aggregate and then stamped concrete. It's a beautiful yard. Look at the size of this yard. Lots of trees. This will be so private in the summer. See, when I looked at it, it was brand new and there's no trees. It's such a better house now than when I saw it. Okay. So that's your yard. Now come upstairs. Okay, so look at this upstairs. So we've got this coolest room. Feels like kind of like a cabin or attic or something, but it's a full size. It's got speakers throughout. We got 2 skylights. Look at this room. Isn't it amazing? Hey, everybody joining in. It's great to see you. Thanks for joining. If you know anybody looking for an awesome house, very affordable, fully developed home in Airdrie. Got a storage closet here. Make sure you tag them or get them to call us. Okay, and here's the upper laundry right here. Laundry right here. Close that up so you don't see it. Okay, so they have this as a desk area, which I think is a great idea. Little office space up here. That's your bonus room. But who has ever seen one like that? Honestly, right? What do you guys think? Send me some hearts. I love the I could stay. There's a basement, Jay. Yes, there is. Do you guys love it? Jay wants to join me on video. Do you? Do you really? I've never done that. How do you do that? Okay. So we have the main bath. And then we have, okay, here is the primary suite. So this is a really nice size bed. Ooh, I love this blanket. The important part is the private toilet room. I mean, I think that's important. Who doesn't like a little privacy, right? Okay, so we had the 1 bedroom. Whoops. Oh. That is not good. Come back here. Oh, see what's happening. Sorry, guys. Okay, here I'm gonna do this. Sorry, everybody. This is not good. Okay, there we go. Oh, man. Okay, and then we have the other bedroom up here. So we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. These stairs right here. So this goes right back down, so you can go all the way across the top, come back down into your gorgeous kitchen. Does that make sense to you? Hopefully it does. Tyler, am I missing anything? I know you gave me some beautiful, Tyler gave me a lot of beautiful info on this house. So here's the basement. Okay. We got a wet bar down here. We've got a really great sitting area. I love this. Can you still hear me? Is the data working? Okay, and then we have your other bedroom, your 4th bedroom. See, look at the size of that. Nice bedroom down here. And so it's got like its own ensuite. Once again, really nice slate. This house has sort of like a cabin-y, like a fancy cabin feel with that bonus room like it is, and all the skylights. It's just like bathed in sunlight. So here's your nice bathroom in the basement. So we've got 3 full baths and a half bath. Okay, pot lights down here. Storage. Okay, storage there, but check out this storage. There's storage in here, and there's also storage here. Like a full room of storage. You could make this into a, I don't know what, something, but it's great for storage. A great place to keep the kids' toys if you want to tuck them away. Okay, now this is a separate entrance from your garage. So, see, here we are back up here in the garage. So there's a separate entrance on the side, and then also this entrance down into the basement. So it'll be great for a little suite if you wanted that. Because we've got the separate entrance, and it's got the wet bar, so you know, it could be for a nanny or teenager, something like that. Anyway, I sure hope I didn't miss anything. I've kind of been running around all day. So windy, I'm pretty windblown. So I think that's it. 480 Morningside Way, 2,200 square feet about. Oh my goodness, Jay and Rick, they're having a little, Jay's not from Canada, so he's in Arizona, so lots of them don't have a basement. Hey Debbie, how you doing? Thanks for all joining in. So if you're joining live, thanks for hanging out with me. I always love that. If you're watching later, thanks for watching the replay. Our team is always happy to help you. If you're looking to sell or buy, we have awesome systems and programs, not like anybody else. So message us if you're interested. And if you're interested in seeing this place, make sure you message us as well. Wow, I'm really out of breath. Okay, so the price of this house is $649.9 for the 2,200 plus the basement. So we're gonna get all the measures and all the photos and all the floor plans. So if you want any more info, just send us a message, and hope you're all doing great, having a lovely Friday. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna say goodbye, and we'll see you soon. Bye.